Alright, so I have arrived in Golden, BC. I wish I would have vlogged a little bit more of my trip, but you know what? It was a pain in the ass, let me tell you. I went from a 7 o'clock flight, getting an email at 4 o'clock in the morning telling me my flight had been delayed 2 hours. So I had to wait 2 hours, get on the flight. I had a scheduled bus at 12:45. That screwed up all my timing and everything, so boy, not exactly sure I was gonna make it. I landed in Calgary at noon. My bus left at 12:45. Took me 25 minutes to get my luggage. By the time I actually left the airport, it was 12:30. My bus left at 12:45. I get in a cab. I look at the cab driver and I go, can you make a miracle happen? Because otherwise I would have had to wait 6.5 hours at the bus station just for a bus to come out here to Golden. So unbelievable. I get in the cab. Thank God the bus was a few minutes late. I run in the terminal and the bus driver is right there at the front, and I get there and I said, did I miss it? Did I miss it? He goes, where are you headed? Golden. He goes, hurry up, get on, I'm just about to leave. I looked and I was like, oh my God, thank God. Thank God. Otherwise I still wouldn't be here. I'd still be waiting in Calgary if it wasn't for that. So thank God I made it. So that was quite the experience. I just hitchhiked to my friend's house. Never done that before. Walking the highway, the guy goes, hey, where are you headed? Get in the truck. So that was quite the experience. Apparently we do a lot of that in Golden, BC. A lot of hitchhiking. So just looking for Patrick's house at 707. That's not the right one. Found him.
Open the door.
Oh, what's your name?
Shithead, that's what we call him.
Sorry?
Let him run away. Just let him run.
We call him Shithead. He's a big dog.
Back up. Come in.
I hitchhiked here.
You get used to it. Did you really?
I swear to God.
Come here.
I'm walking along the street. The guy goes, "Yo, where you headed?" Hop in.
Yeah. Matt, go, come.
Thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash that like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more videos. See you guys next time on All Things Sports by Mike McIntyre.